Let me quickly show you how to organize your ChatGPT chats or messages so you don't lose whatever ideas or solutions ChatGPT gives you. So you open your ChatGPT app, or you can access it through your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. You come to this menu icon here, you click on project. So we're going to create project to organize our chat for a particular solution we want to get from ChatGPT. So let's assume we are creating this project because we want to sell our shoes online, and we want ChatGPT to help us, to give us ideas, strategies on how to sell this particular shoes. So when you click on projects, you're going to click new, and we are going to name this project shoe marketing. So when you name your project, the next thing you're going to do is we are going to click on create project. So now we have a project in ChatGPT called shoe marketing. Then you can come to sources, and we are going to add whatever information you want to give ChatGPT concerning this particular shoe. You want ChatGPT to give you the sales strategies to use and get customers for it. So you can, if you click on this add sources here, you can add whether it's Google document of your target audience, your brand tone, every information you want ChatGPT to have about this particular product you want to sell, you add it here. Okay. Then when you go to chat, you can start having conversations with ChatGPT concerning this particular product you want to sell. Let's say we want ChatGPT to give us a marketing plan for this particular shoe we want to sell. So you're going to click give me a marketing plan for this, for selling a shoe. See, don't write your prompt like this, okay? Give ChatGPT enough context of your offer, of your products. That way you can get better output. I just wrote this like this because it's just an example and not a real offer I want to sell. So when you click, you are going to send this. Now ChatGPT will give us a generic marketing plan for selling shoe, but when you want to do yours, you are going to click on sources and feed it with information about your product, your offer, and everything. So as you can see, we have some marketing plan here. Now when you go to projects, you are going to see you have a project here. That's the shoe marketing. Now any subsequent chat you have with ChatGPT is going to appear here. Now let's say you were chatting with ChatGPT about your marketing plan and you want to ask it another thing. Instead of continue with this marketing plan, probably want it to now create an offer for the shoe. Instead of having that conversation inside this shoe marketing plan chat, you can come here and create another chat with ChatGPT. Okay, create an offer for a shoe brand. Now this is a new chat here. Then when you go to project again, you're going to see that we now have, okay, you're going to see that we now have another chat here with ChatGPT shoe brand offer idea, shoe marketing. So whenever you come back and you want to refine your offer, you simply go to offer and refine your offer. And you want another marketing plan, you go and continue the chat here. And another advantage of this of using project in ChatGPT is you give ChatGPT a one-time information about that particular project you are working on. So whenever you want to create another thing, be it content ideas, you'll not come and start feeding it again with your business details, okay, because you already added that under sources. Okay, so you can go ahead and try this out. You organize your chats, your ideas inside ChatGPT so you don't lose them next time.